Hello and welcome to my next video on the COMP1511 assignment to Pokedex. This video is just going to be a quick one about the destroy Pokedex function from stage 2. So I've copied the function prototype from pokedex.h. It's pretty straightforward, just says destroy a given Pokedex and free all associated memory. And it just takes in one argument, your Pokedex, which of course refers to this pointer here, which has all of your associated Pokenodes and stuff with it. So just a few quick tips. When you destroy your Pokedex, you need to destroy all of the memory associated with every single thing in here. So you're going to need to do several things. You're going to need to make sure you walk through your list of Pokenodes, freeing each of the Pokenode. You can't just write, for example, free Pokedex, because what this will do, this will free your Pokedex struct here, but it won't free the rest of the memory. So you need to make sure that you do look at every single Pokenode in your Pokelist. Another important thing to note is that you can't just free these Pokemon. So for example, you can't just write free current arrow Pokemon. For example, if you had a pointer called current, so you are pointing to this Pokenode, if you just typed free current arrow Pokemon, that would free this blob of memory, but that wouldn't free all of the memory associated with the Pokemon itself. So the thing that you need to do to be able to free all the memory associated with that Pokemon, instead of calling free yourself, you instead need to call the destroy Pokemon function from Pokemon.h. So this destroy Pokemon function takes in a capital P Pokemon, which is a pointer to one of these things. So for example, the pointer stored inside your Pokenode here. So the way that you'd call that would be by calling destroy Pokemon and then current arrow Pokemon. For example, assuming again that you have this current pointer here to your Pokenode that you're currently looking at. So hopefully that's made sense so far. I'll just really quickly walk through what this would actually look like in terms of the process you'd take. So in order to free all of the memory in your list, you're going to need to free several things. First of all, you're going to need to free each of the Pokenodes you have. So for example, if you have a pointer to that Pokenode called current, you'll need to write the line free current or free cur like that. You'll also need to destroy the memory associated with that Pokemon there. So again, writing this line destroy Pokemon, current arrow Pokemon. And you'll need to do this for each of the nodes in your list. So you'll need to walk through the list, freeing each of the nodes as you go, moving on to the next one, freeing its Pokemon, freeing the node, moving on to the next one, freeing its Pokemon, freeing the node, and so on. And finally, you will need to free the memory associated with your Pokedex struct. So that'd be something like free Pokedex. Cool. So hopefully that's all made sense. If you're getting any errors about memory leaks in Pokemon.c, that probably means you haven't called the destroy Pokemon function. So remember, you can't just free current arrow Pokemon, you have to call the destroy Pokemon function. And if you're getting any other memory leak errors, you need to make sure that you have indeed freed all of the nodes on your Pokelist, and destroy Pokemon, all of the Pokemon on your Pokelist, and then finally freed your Pokedex struct itself. Cool. Hopefully that's all made sense. If you've got any questions, of course, you can always ask them on the course forum, and otherwise, I'll see you in my next video.